Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up dashboard UI in React with Material UI, complete guide step by step clearly. To set up a dashboard UI in React with Material UI, first, ensure you have Node.js installed on your machine. Create a new React application using the command npx create React app dashboard. Once the application is created, navigate into the project directory with cd dashboard. Next, install Material UI by running npm install at mui/material at emotion/react at emotion/styled. To use Material icons, you can also install it by executing npm install at mui/icons material. Now, open your project in your preferred code editor. In the src folder, create a new file named dashboard.js. In dashboard.js, import React and the necessary components from Material UI, such as AppBar, Toolbar, Typography, and Drawer. Create a functional component named Dashboard and define its return statement. Inside the return, start by adding an AppBar for your top navigation. Include a toolbar within the AppBar to hold your elements. Add a typography element to display the title of your dashboard. Next, create a drawer component for the sidebar navigation. Set the variant prop of the drawer to permanent for a static sidebar. Inside the drawer, use list and list item components to create your navigation links. Close the drawer tag and then create a main section to host the main content of your dashboard. In this main section, you can add other Material UI components, such as paper, to display content cards. Import your dashboard component into app.js. Replace the default content in app.js with your dashboard component to render it. Run your application with the command npm start to see your dashboard UI in action. With your dashboard now set up, explore additional Material UI components to enhance its functionality. Consider adding responsive design features using Material UI's grid system to ensure it looks good on all devices. Lastly, customize the theme of your dashboard using Material UI's theme provider to match your branding. This completes the setup of a basic dashboard UI in React with Material UI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.